Hi wiring winners, Jay from Simtech. Back again as promised. We've now spent a nice afternoon reworking this Mazda dash harness into something that's more suitable for the car. As you see here, we've redone everything, replaced all the wiring, all new wiring, and this little subloom now deals with things like the original Mazda display, the hazard warning light, the dash dimmer, and the Mazda original fog light, and it all connects into this interface connector here. And we tend to do this a lot, break the harnesses up into bits, and that means that you can change your ideas, swap your harness, swap your wiring and your switches, your gauges, and all you need to do is rework this little subloom. We've got a connector here that goes over to the other side of the steering column because there's going to be a switch or two over there, but this pretty much now deals with everything that was originally in the center of the Mazda dashboard. Now it's taken a good afternoon, but we've wrapped it in this fluffy cloth tape. They call it anti-rattle tape. Now, not that we're really worried about any rattling noises on this car, open top sports car, but it is very useful because it's very resistance to damage, and it's nice and easy to cable tie up without allowing the wiring inside to be damaged. So we've gone from this pile of rubbish over here 3 hours or so, and we've ended up with this. So hopefully you can compare that to the last video and you'll see what tidying things up really nicely, how much a difference it makes. Thank you for watching. We'll speak to you again. Bye.